Ako nga pala si Rolando Sirapsing Jr. I am a resident here in Armal Village Neighborhood Association Incorporated since 2000. So magdadalawang dekada na rin po ako dito. Armal Village Neighborhood Association Incorporated is located at Purok 8, Barangay Santa Ana, Taytay Rizal. But we are a CMP project from the LGU of Pasig. I've been official here in Armal Village since then as secretary. Armal Village Neighborhood Association Incorporated is composed of 340 members with a number of 174 females and 166 males. We have these policies that we generated from a decade. It's not a policy anymore. It's been a culture of our village. Now we do it consistently, and all of our members is deliberating these policies from time to time. We have no provisions for other facilities. Just like this area na kinonvert namin as a multi-purpose area, pwedeng basketball court, events place, pwede rin ganapan ang mga occasions. Then we have the multi-purpose hall. We have the guardhouse na ginagamit namin from time to time. So, but we are introducing projects to maintain such kind of cleanliness and sanitation. Second, we have this coordination sa ating LGUs for the collection of garbage. And the third thing is, we teach people how to manage their garbages. Previously, we have this monthly meeting and a monthly collection. So, we do it consistently. We always break down 3 types of collections from time to time. Sa social housing, sa HOA dues, and sa may-ari ng lote. So, always, we let the people know how to manage their obligations from monthly basis. The first thing to do is to build trust to everybody. So, as a part of a leader, kailangan maibigay namin sa tao kung paano kami nagkatiwalaan. Number 1 is what we call is money matters before you do the policies. Kung sila nagtitiwala sa iyo sa pera, lahat ng kinokollect mo is alam nila kung saan napupunta, then you start building trust to every piece of members in a village.
Ako po si Marilyn Gonzalez. Ako po yung treasurer ng Armal Village Neighborhood Association. Ang mga ginagawa po namin para makakolekta po kami sa mga miyembro is from time to time we do house to house collection. Lagi po namin nire-remind sila every meeting, and nagpapadala din po kami ng mga demand letters sa kanila. Ginagawa lang po namin talaga yung makakaya namin kasi alam naman namin yung hard work is talagang merong future payoff. Binabahagi po namin sa mga members kung ano po yung mga kabutihan at kagandahan na on time magbayad. Para rin po sa kanila yun eh.
Pinapakita talaga namin yung bank from time to time na nagmi-meeting kami. And the collection itself, kung saan napunta yung pera nila. For the challenges naman from the HOA, we have a lot of challenges. So, marami talagang problema, maraming dapat isolve. Pero we do it in one by one, in small scale to big scale basis. So yun, accumulated solution is doing a part of a big solution. We have this internal meeting. Bago kami magkaroon ng meeting from the members, nag-evaluate muna kami ng internally. Ano ba yung nangyari last month? Ano ba yung correction natin last na nangyaring problema? What we are doing now is just a normal activities, and our goal is to improve and put a good community. One goal lang, maging maganda ang ating komunidad, maging maayos. So sabi nga, if you have this orderliness, you have this peace sa pinaka-effect niya. Kung nakikita nilang maganda ang aming village, then sharing also kung ano yung nakikita namin maganda sa kanila, we copy it, then we add it kung talagang kagaganda ng aming village din namin.